Hello everyone, I'm Catherine. Just a brief content warning before we get started. I'm going to be talking about diet culture, eating disorders, and calories. My challenge is to build an app that teaches people how to have a healthy relationship with food. By this, I mean teaches people to eat in a way that is both mentally and physically healthy. Let's say you're watching a TV show and then this ad comes on. Get your perfect summer body. Just need to purchase these breast augmentations and body contouring. Or you're walking down the street, you pass a health food store where they're advertising their newest program. Lose weight, and then you can look great and feel healthy. You go into a restaurant, the menu shows you the price in dollars and then the price in calories, reducing your food down to these two numbers and asking if you're willing to pay both costs. Do a quick Google search to find some snack recipes, and instead you find a list of delicious foods that you should feel guilty about eating. This is diet culture, which strongly influences our society's relationship with food. It has many facets, including an obsession with body shape, equating weight with health and moral virtue, and the idea that certain foods are good or bad. The undertone of diet culture is that your worth is determined by your weight and what you eat. And this easily leads to a number of negative consequences, such as feeling guilty about food, obsessing over food and weight, unbalanced eating where you completely eliminate certain foods or food groups, skipping meals in order to lose weight, and having strict rules about food and exercise. These symptoms describe disordered eating, which affects an unknown number of people. Certain studies that have looked at specific groups have found the prevalence of disordered eating to be at least 50%. If unchecked, this leads to eating disorders. There are currently over 1 million Canadians who meet the diagnostic criteria for eating disorders. These disorders have a number of health risks. In fact, anorexia nervosa, a common eating disorder, is the deadliest psychiatric illness. And this has to stop. I want people to see food as an important and enjoyable part of a physically and mentally nourishing lifestyle, instead of seeing food as a test that comes with rules and a fear of failure. Let's take a step back and say you want some guidance on how to eat healthy. You'll come across these classic food tracking apps. They're very popular and there are a number of iterations, but they all have the same basic structure. You input the food and the app tells you whether you're meeting your goals. These goals are mainly calorie-based, and these apps support and often even encourage weight loss. This structure focuses only on the physical side of things. In fact, these apps have been shown to contribute to disordered eating thoughts and practices. If you want something that considers the emotional side of eating, there are apps that are designed to help with recovery from an eating disorder. Here, you can track your thoughts and feelings about food and eating, but the app gives you no guidance on making those food choices. These type of apps are reflection-based, making it a reactive solution. What we need is something that is in the middle, that considers both the physical and mental sides of eating healthy. The solution will be proactive and it will educate. It will not count calories and it will not support weight loss goals. But going beyond the eating disorder recovery apps, it will guide users in learning what a truly healthy diet looks like. It will provide a holistic education into how choices surrounding food can support a healthy mind as well as a healthy body. I'm looking for people with experience in these areas: computer or app programming, familiarity with databases, nutrition science, psychology. And if you're excited about solving this problem, even if you don't have any of the skills I listed, then come talk to me. What I hope this challenge can provide to you is an opportunity to share in the development of this app. Right now we're at the idea stage, but I want to take it fully through to commercialization. It also provides an opportunity to solve problems that are technical and also socially relevant. Moving forward, there's an opportunity to continue on as part of the founding team. I don't anticipate to have a fully functioning complete app done in the 6 weeks, but I want to continue on after NeuroNexus. Just to share some of my feelings with this project, revenue is important, but for me, it's not the main motivation. I look forward to talking to you soon.